So this is a drum fill. This is a drum fill. This is a drum fill. This is a gospel drum fill. Okay. Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. We've not done gospel drum fills on this channel for quite a little bit of time. So for this video, we shall do one. Shall we? Yes. Let's roll the intro, then we'll break it down into bits and pieces. Intro. First of all, we need to break down this drum fill into little bits so we can digest it. But before we do that, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. And let's try and get 150 likes, shall we? This is a little too small, but hey, let's just do 150 likes. Okay, so the first part of this drum fill is 3 hits on the toms, but you have to do a pickup note from the kick. So the kick, then 3 hits on the toms, and it sounds like this. So then you practice that for a lot of time. Then you do the same thing on the second tom, like this. So now we can put the first tom and the second tom together, and it sounds like this. So next we have the floor tom pattern, right? The floor tom pattern is quite intriguing. So before we go on, we have to say a word from our sponsor, the Drum Chops Builder app. Are you hungry? Do you need food to eat? The Drum Chops Builder app is a revolutionary application that helps you to save your drum fills. And no, it doesn't have anything to do with food. But hey, I had to get your attention somehow, didn't I? So it's a revolutionary application that you can save your drum ideas when you're out and about doing my thing, you're doing your thing in town, right? And you get an idea, and it's like a drum fill, just like the one we are breaking down. And you're like, whoa, bruh, that was nice in my head. How do I put it on the drums? But there's no drums. So you get your phone, Drum Chops Builder app, you play it on the phone, save it. When you get home, you practice it and save it in your head. Like that. Link in the description. Click the link. Okay, let's go on with the video. So we did the 2 toms. We did the first tom, we did the second tom. They sounded good. Now we're going to the floor tom. There's this whole floor tom pattern thing. So this is what the drum fill sounds like. So for the floor tom pattern, we take that same 3-note pattern on the first tom and put it on the floor tom. Then we add 1 note on the snare. So 1, 2, 3, then a snare. So this is what the floor tom pattern sounds like. And that's it. So let's play the whole thing together and see what it sounds like. Your brain will freak out, but you need to play it a whole bunch of times so your brain gets it. You're like, yes, I get it. Do you get it? Yeah, boy, I get it. So ideally, you should practice it with a metronome, so you feel the sense of comfort in the metronome until you get to a point where you can play it on its own without a metronome. And that's pretty much it. If you've not hit the like, this is the amount of likes we are trying to hit on this video. Hey, do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. The Player Nation is awesome. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. I'll see you in another video. Peace, love, and all the good things. What am I doing with my hands? I don't know. Bye-bye.